When you're broke, you always want to cook something that's filling and can be reheated. So your broke ass don't have to waste time cooking every time you feel hungry. So I'm gonna reintroduce this classic dish that our broke ass ancestors have been eating from day one, with a little Chinese style. And let's get it.
Heat a wok or a pot or in meat and get some color on it. I don't even know what kind of beef it is, okay? Bicep or tricep? Come on, Google, stop embarrassing me. If you wanna know, it's called cheap cut. Garlic and big pieces onion. And fuck yeah, my garlic has sprout. And fuck you, Auntie Lee. I said I'm broke. What do you want from me? I don't even know why I'm frying these veggies. It probably tastes just the same as dumping them along with hot water. So yeah, let's pour in the hot water, along with ginger, chili, and spices. For me, I'm gonna use star anise, bay leaf, cinnamon, coriander seed, and Sichuan pepper. But if you're a broke ass from Southeast Asia, you can add lemongrass or whatever you got in hand. Last but not least, soy sauce for flavor, dark soy sauce for color. I mean, I'm making Chinese style. You can make it your style, but I don't suggest using Worcestershire sauce. Low heat, lid on, let it simmer for an hour. And that's a lot of time to do something not stupid. An hour later, potatoes. Half an hour later, carrots. Another half an hour later, your dinner's ready. Cool fish beef stew. And I increased my vertical by 10 inches in that 2 hours. I hope you don't waste yours.